The old way of doing business or the old way of delivering services is I'm going to make them available to you the way I'm structured. The new way of delivering those services is to deliver them in the way that your audience wants them. We had built this thing called Azure and it had a breadth of services out there, but again, our customers weren't necessarily able to rationalize how best to take advantage. And so it was really a grassroots kind of movement. And so we decided to take a roadshow approach and go and invest in certain communities in different cities and say, here's how we think in this particular market, Azure could best help your agencies achieve your missions. And then our customers actually put their hands on keyboards and start to put together some solutions. And it becomes a real fun learning environment for our customers as they learn how to take advantage of the breadth of services available in Azure and ultimately work on these projects that they kind of hack together, hence the name Hackfest.
I found that even from the beginning when I had a deer in the headlights look, I knew the concepts I was looking for and they were easy to find. And then you had the people in the Hackfest showing you where the particular pieces you're interested in using were. It gets you outside of your normal workaday world. It gets you closer to the technologies that are on the forefront at Microsoft.
The skills that I've gained just in this day and a half or 2 days, I definitely could take back with me. I think it's kind of an immersion in the technology. You know, pick your project and kind of go through what you know to do as a developer and then dive in and learn how to utilize the technology. I think the value is kind of immeasurable. Having those experts that actually know, that are present firsthand, you know, that are present right there to answer the questions and are able to tailor the answer based on where you are and what you're dealing with right at that moment.
It's fun because you get to sit with your team and work together and develop something. I have a lot of ideas I want to incorporate, like why can't we use voice commands to navigate through the website? And with the tools that was explained in the Hackfest, I decided, I was like, oh, there is actually a possibility. It's not that difficult to do. I encourage everyone to go to one if you have the chance. Don't miss out. It's really exciting and interesting, and you will learn a lot.
The Azure Government Hackfests are a powerful catalyst for innovation. I enjoy getting to work with government agencies all across the country to leverage advanced technology like artificial intelligence, object recognition, and chatbots in order to help the public access information and services faster, or for civil servants out in the field, accelerating their time to information so they can complete their mission safely and efficiently. The Government Solutions team is excited about coming together with our customers in a collaborative environment and driving innovation through new projects that are the first steps toward transformation of their government agencies.
And so as we think about where's Hackfest going, I really like to think about where are our customers' projects going and how can we go enable that in a inclusive and stress-free environment, in a fun environment with some over-the-shoulder coaching so that we can really help springboard our customers' success and growth in the cloud to achieve their agency missions ultimately.